Former mixed-gender secondary modern school in the village of Stady near Canterbury in East Kent, for children aged 11 to 16, closed in 2007. The school was founded in 1935, and was originally known as Stady Secondary Modern School. As a secondary modern school, Frank Montgomery School was a non-selective school which tended to take in pupils who had failed to pass the controversial 11+ exam set by Kent County Council to stream children to attend either selective grammar schools or non-selective secondary modern schools. According to Anthony Sampson, in his book Anatomy of Britain, 1965, there were structural problems within the testing process that underpinned the 11+, which meant it tended to result in secondary modern schools being overwhelmingly dominated by the children of poor and working class parents, while grammar schools were dominated by the children of wealthier middle class parents. To some extent, Frank Montgomery School corresponded to this pattern by being dominated by poor and working class children, and by having both low academic expectations and poor examination results. Frank Montgomery School was placed in special measures in 1998 due to poor Ofsted inspection reports, although it left special measures 5 years later following intervention by the local education authority and Ofsted. However, in 2004 the BBC reported that the school was still bottom in the National School League tables for GCSE examination results in England and Wales, with just 4% of pupils on the school roll achieving any GCSEs at grade C or above. 3 years later, at the point of its closure, the school had risen from bottom place to 13th from bottom, with 7% of pupils achieving the official requirement of 5 or more GCSE results at grade C or above, and 43% of pupils gaining at least one GCSE at grade C or above. The school returned to special measures in 2005 and remained there until its closure in 2007, at which point a new academy school was formed on the same campus, taking in the former pupils of Frank Montgomery. Frank Montgomery School was not only controversial due to its poor academic results. In 1997, its then headmaster, Rodney Freaks, was quoted as saying he was impressed with the loyalty of the pupils to their teachers following a riot by 200 pupils at the school in protest at the sacking of 5 of their teachers.